If we need to share our control authority of smart devices with others, we can share through the Sassin Smart app. This allows anyone who signs up for Sassin Smart app to receive it and control the smart devices. Click Sassin Smart app. Click Share on the home page to enter Shared List, view devices that can be shared with others. Click Device to enter Share Management. Click the icon plus on the bottom. Input target mobile phone number. Click Confirm to complete the process. Click on the recipient's profile picture. We can see the detailed information. The recipient need to open Sassin Smart app. Click Share on the home page to enter, then click Accept on the top to view the information of share demand. Click Accept All to accept. Then the recipient can control the smart devices conveniently.